going over. Oh, shit. Nice deep big boot in this F-PACE, like that. So we're in the Jaguar F-PACE R. It's a 2-litre turbo diesel motor, 237 horsepower, so it's quite a potent motor. This one is spec'd to the retail of around £56,000, but they're available from about £36,000. So really quite a lot of car for the money. This one has an 0 to 60 of 6.7 seconds, so it's a really, really sporty model, and it does a top speed of 135, so quite a potent motor indeed. So we're about to go out for a drive in it and basically see what we do. Already the interior is absolutely beautiful in this car. For the money, it's got a nice heads-up display, beautiful digital dash as well, which I'll show, and lots of features, absolutely ram-packed in this machine. So it's really quite a cool car. Feels like a proper, rugged all-wheel drive car. Money, the interior, the quality on this machine of this car is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely visually stunning here. Digital display on the center console is really, really nice. Digital display, driving cockpit dials are really, really nice as well. Really, really clear, really high quality, nice clarity. Driving position obviously is electrical, trying to adjust it. This model has a heated steering wheel, heated seats, so it's got all the bells and whistles. And again, for the money, this is spec'd up at £56,000. There is so much car in this for the money. It's quick, it's powerful. Like I say, it's a driver's SUV, so it's actually a really good handling car. Very comfortable when you need it to be as well. Loads of different driver modes and things like that, and yeah, it's just a great car. Straight away, one of the things I do love with this car, and admittedly the wheels on a car like this are big, so you'd expect there to be a fairly weighty feel through the steering wheel, and there definitely is. It's not always the case, because some of the kind of car manufacturers these days, they do still give massive electronic assistance, and that sometimes I don't like. Thankfully this has got a nice bit of weight to it, which is really quite good, because it makes it feel quite sporty, which I like. It's comfortable enough to be really, really comfortable, so you can drive for long periods of time and be really, really comfortable with it, but it's also really, really sporty when you want to give it some. So let's give it a little bit of a push. And for a big push straight away, actually, that is, it's not flying you in the back of the seat like some kind of supercar, but, and I tell you what, actually, just turning one of the first kind of sharp turns, lovely chassis, really, really nice. For a big high car, it feels like it's got a great balanced chassis with great communication through the steering wheel. So yeah, thumbs up straight away from me for steering, feel, weight, and driver dynamics. Again, for a big tall car that you think would roll around a corner, it really does not. It does not roll in the slightest. It feels sturdy. It corners reasonably flat. So yeah, it's ticking boxes there for me. But yeah, it's still just so super comfy, which I love. It's really, really nice. a dark place just here, we all the kind of mood light, the lighting in the door cards and in the centre console just lit up, and I think you can change the colours in that as well. Absolutely beautiful. This is £56,000. I'm not even kidding you guys. It feels like the kind of interior you'd have on a £100,000 car. This is stunning inside, absolutely stunning. One of the other things I wanted to mention to you guys was the driver dynamics. So we were talking about the handling feels great. One thing that Jaguar have done with this all-wheel drive transmission, which I like, is it's not front wheel biased like a lot of other SUVs or 4x4 kind of cars, all-wheel drive cars are like these days. This is basically an all-wheel drive platform that is rear wheel drive biased, which is awesome. So it feels a little bit, a little bit naughty, a little bit dancey, which I really quite like. So yeah, thumbs up Jaguar for the drive and the handling of this thing. Is absolutely superb. It really is.
So we've discovered loads of different awesome things to kind of show you where the power distribution goes, and we've also found a hidden launch control setting. Look at that, low friction launch, but we're not going to do that yet. But so there's some cool sporty features in this car which are absolutely awesome. We love it. Yeah, look at this. I mean, we've got sporty dynamic modes and all kinds of different modes to the engine, to the steering, to the suspension, to the gear shift. I'm not even joking you. I'm gonna, the lap timer and everything. This car, for the money, I'm not gonna swear, is absolutely, look at that G meter. This car is absolutely phenomenal. I am serious. This car is amazing. There is so many features in this car, including let me do this. Let's do this. Deployable, don't press it yet, a deployable tow bar. No, I'm not, I'm serious. A deployable tow bar. I'll give you a shout. Deploy the tow bar. Where's it come? There it is. Look at that. Ooh, saucy. A deployable electric tow bar. Epic, epic. Pop it out. Right guys, let's go off-roading in the Jaguar F-PACE R-SPORT. Let's see what this thing's like off-road. Put it in four-wheel drive, make sure it's in four-wheel drive, and we're going to go and give it a test on this hilly undulating cool little kind of green lane area. But yeah, cool. There's some epic off-roadage. I'm going in places where I feel we kind of really shouldn't, and to me, I've just kind of hacked this car around the roads like it's like a track car, and it's not like a supercar, but I'm not joking, this car handles so well for a big car. And then now we're bloody taking it off friggin' road, and I'm not being funny, there's bits I'm going through and I genuinely think I'm going to ground out the suspension and ground out the front, and this bloody thing is, and I'm worried, is this going to take, it is just going over. Oh, shit. Take two. So we're now going to carry on off-roading after our GoPros just decided to kind of go off. But yeah, let's carry on. This is brilliant. This is do you know what? I've got friends who are really into green laning, and they tell me it's so much fun. And do you know what? That some of my friends who now do green laning, they basically used to have sporty cars, and they tell me about how, you know, they basically go green lane and it's amazing. And I'm like, you sold a sports car and you go green lane and you love it that much? I can see why you have fun on it. If you have a car like this, this is a modern factory car with factory suspension, and it is doing things you think it shouldn't do. the gradients, and I don't know whether the video's doing it justice, but the gradients and the bumps I am going around and through are absolutely unbelievable. And this car is amazing. I love this car. Jaguar, please lend me one of these for longer. I'm nearly speechless. I am so impressed with how good this car is. What a machine. What an absolute weapon. It is just brilliant. Literally, these rows or green kind of bits of kind of landscape, these are like moguls on basically a ski slalom, and it just is. I could probably go over these. I could probably go over these and on these bits of road quicker than I'm going, but I don't want to, because it's for me, it's already defining what my brain is telling me it should be able to do. But look at this. It's just it's just amazing. It is defining my brain's logic to process what it should or shouldn't be able to do. It is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. This car, I've just hacked this car around B roads, and I have driven it like anyone would a car in, or on a track, and it handles brilliant. And now I'm literally green laning. It is mental, absolutely mental. It's bloody brilliant. I love it, absolutely love it. Crazy feature we've just found is a 360-degree camera that shows our what looks like a satellite position. It's obviously a digital picture of the F-PACE, which is fine, but it's got a satellite image of the exact point of where we're at, which is crazy. So it's obviously not a beam down satellite image, because it's impossible right now, but it must be like an incredible archive Google map image or something like that. But it's amazing. It's basically exactly where we are GPS wise, with a satellite image with the F-PACE. Is unbelievable. That's
when
awesome.
you stood over there, it did actually show you stood over there as well.
Okay, that's freaky. Yeah, so yeah, we'll have to ask Jaguar about that. That's awesome. So it looks like now we're moving with this image, and it looks like we're playing, and I feel like I'm playing Grand Theft Auto. It is awesome. It is crazy. That is mad.